kids gather around. Let's get down with some math in that fly cat. Dr. Webb.
Hey boys and girls, I'm so glad to be back to pencil and paper. I really like working math, and it feels like a real manipulative skill to develop. So I really enjoy that. At any rate, let's go ahead and get started. So this lesson is about finding volume, and it relates to standard 5MD4. Measure volume by counting unit cubes using cubic centimeters, cubic inches, cubic feet, and improvised units. And what that all really means is that they want us to take a look at these shapes and figure out what the cubic volume is of these rectangular prisms. And the question will be asked, what are the dimensions of the rectangular prism? So to find that out, we're going to multiply three things. Because if the cube that we're talking about is equal to, say, 1 foot, so all we really have to do is figure out what the cubic foot is going to be related to the formula of length times width times height, and that'll give us our answer. So we're going to measure our length, our width, and our height. Our length is 1, 2, 3. Our width is 1, 2, 3. And our height is 1, 2, 3. So we can do the math right here. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So we know that the answer is 27 cubic feet. Let's do another one. Let's go ahead and set up our formula. We're going to go our length times width times height. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that 3 times 2 is 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So we have 24 cubic, let's say this was equal to 1 inch. So it would be 24 cubic inches. Let's do another one. This time, we'll do the measurement first. Let's say it's cubic yards. Okay, set up our formula. It's 2 times 2 times 3. So we know 2 times 2 equals 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 12 cubic yards. Let's do another one. We'll set up our formula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is 3 times 5 is 15 times 4 is 60 cubic. I'm just making this up. You don't have to do this every time. But because they'll tell you in the actual question what they want it to be. In some cases they won't, and they just want you to fill in the formula and get the answer. But if this one was, say, cubic yards as well, then it would be yards. That's kind of how simple the standard is. Okay? So let's try one more. Let's have you do it. So I'll show this one to you. Get you set up. So go ahead and figure out what using the formula of length times width times height. Figure out what this one is, and I'll tell you the answer next week. Until then, have a great day.